This lesson is all about the forgetting curve. So have you ever learnt something new and then gone to revisit it a few months later and you are stuck? Don't worry, this is completely normal, and learning about the forgetting curve can help you. The forgetting curve is a graph that shows us when we do not revisit learning, we slowly forget it over time. A scientist called Ebbinghaus came up with the forgetting curve, and he has also told us what we need to do about it. Ebbinghaus has shown that when we revisit our previous learning, we can reduce the rate at which we forget something. This means you should frequently revisit your learning, perhaps the next day, the next week, or the next month. So what are you going to revisit today to help it stick in your brain?